guys, what is up? Today we are officially putting lowering springs on the Mustang. So right now I'm gonna head out, meet up with my buddy Austin, and then we're both gonna drive an hour to 210 Performance and drop the car off. So this is gonna be like an all-day thing pretty much. Right now the time is 7:38 in the morning, and believe it or not, I gotta get going because again, we're about an hour away, hour and like 5 minutes, and Austin's house is about 15 minutes away. So hopefully we all time it out correctly, but 210 Performance opens at 9 o'clock in the morning and we got to get there. So I will see you boys whenever we're on the road. All right guys, we are now at my buddy Austin's place. We're gonna wait for him to come out and then we're going to both drive down there. Obviously the reason why is because I would rather not spend 7 hours at a performance shop sitting in a waiting room. So he's gonna drive me back, and then later today, he'll drive me back there again, and we'll pick the car up. So I'll see you guys once we're actually on the highway, headed that direction. All right, boys, we are on the highway. We got about 21 minutes left to get there. I don't know if you guys can actually see that, but Austin is currently behind me. And yeah, we're making good time. We should be there at 9:05, which is 5 minutes late, but no biggie. Anyways, boys, I will see you guys whenever we arrive. All right, boys, we are just now pulling in to 210 Performance. The shop is right here. And I'm gonna hop out and show you guys what the suspension and the setup looks like right now, so you can get an idea of how much lower it's gonna get after it's done. But yeah, let me park up real quick and then we'll get to it. All right, so if you look right now, you got like 2 or 3 fingers on the back and on the front. The front's the worst. The front is literally like 3.5, give or take. This will get dropped about 1.5 inches. The rear will get dropped like 1 inch, I think. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go in there, give them my keys, and then we'll probably cut back on the way back here in a couple of hours. All right, guys, we just wrapped up. The car will be ready probably in like 6 or 7 hours, and then me and my boy Austin are gonna come back and grab it. But great people over here, highly recommend them. I'm gonna get my headers done here as well, but that'll probably be in like a month or two. But yeah, boys, I will see you guys in a couple of hours. All right, what's up guys? We're back at 210 Performance. The car has been lowered. The fitment already looks so much better on the front specifically. The rear end too just looks so much better, bro. Holy dude, it finally just like sits like a sports car, you know?
Yeah, no, it looks way better.
It looks so much better now, dude. Like here, I can feel like a finger now.
The rear is coated.
I got a finger on the front, and then the rear, let's see here. Finger, dude. Dude, earlier today it was like 3 fingers I could fit in there, almost 3.5. Now it's a singular finger. Yeah, boys, this thing looks absolutely amazing. But we're gonna hop in there real quick. I gotta pay, and yeah, they did a fucking sick job. Now I just gotta get in alignment, but hell yeah, bro, finally lowered, dude. And honestly, without even spacers on it, it's not too bad. Like obviously it's still kind of like dug in on the sides, but it's not too bad. All right guys, we're at 210 Performance. They're currently taking my money, but there's a really cool GT500 over there. So we're getting shit cracking. All right boys, here we go. I am really curious to see how this thing drives now. All right guys, whenever we're on the road, I will give you my 2 cents on whether or not I can feel it. It should be a little bit more stiff, and obviously it is lower, so I'll see you guys in just a sec. All right guys, so we've made the trek back to the city and I'm back on my home turf right now. I already scraped on something. It wasn't bad, but the car is definitely low enough now, even just being like 1 inch, 1.5 inches lower, to the point where you actually have to worry about scraping on stuff. Whereas before I didn't have to. Now, in terms of highway driving, something like this, the car feels basically OEM. Like it doesn't feel stiffer per se. Again, these are progressive springs, so they're not going to be stiff all the time. Like they get progressively more stiff the more force they have against them. But yeah, they feel great. I mean, the car overall feels great. It feels lower, it feels more planted. Now, in terms of like cornering and all that stuff, it does feel better. But I don't know if it's because the center of gravity is lower or the springs themselves are putting in a lot of work, but the car feels a lot better. But to be honest, when it comes to actual performance, I think that people care more about the way the car looks than the performance you're gonna get out of these, because if you really wanted your car to handle, you wouldn't get the Pro Kit. You'd probably get like the track version, because Eibach does make springs that lower the car even lower than this. That's the ones that you want to run on the track, but obviously I drive my car on the street and I do not want to do that. So I don't know, to each their own, but the thing I got the lowering springs for the most is just simply the way the car looks. I just love the way that now the suspension's like dead flush. The car could be about a 1/4 inch lower and then it'd be like perfect, but you have to remember that the car has to settle. I think even the way it looks now is fine, and even if it does settle down a little bit, I'm not too worried about it. But I am overall very happy with the way the car is, and I'm very happy with how 210 Performance did the work on my car. It was very fast, they do it right, and they know what they're doing. I'm gonna drive back to my house right now, and then I'll hop out and we'll look at the suspension and the fitment one more time, and that will be the end of the video. But yeah, guys, overall I'm very happy about the way this turned out. I love the fitment. It's not too harsh, it's not too low, it's like just right. So if you guys are looking to get a lowering kit or lowering springs, I would recommend either the Steeda progressive ones or get the Eibach Pro Kit meant for Magna Ride. And yeah, I mean, the car looks absolutely phenomenal right now. Anyways, boys, I will see you when I make it home. All right, guys, we're back at my house, and as you can tell, the fitment is way better. I mean, some of you guys have probably been watching me for a little while, and you'll know that I had like straight up monster truck stock fitment on this thing. It looked terrible. Now, the rear end, you got about, see, like the top of the tire is actually up here, but it looks like it's a bigger gap because the tire is just so pushed into the fender right now. I probably need to get spacers or just wait till I get my new tires and rims, but I don't know what we're gonna do on that. Like it's actually, this is how the fitment should be from factory, genuinely. Because before, the one thing I absolutely hated was the fact that it was just so lifted up. It just looked terrible, but now it's like actually solid fitment. And I don't want it too low because, you know, it is a muscle car. It would look kind of weird if it was just like way too low, but yeah, the car looks great. I would recommend anybody to get lowering springs for sure. Like the front I believe is a little bit, I think the front's like 1.5 inch lower, and then the rear is like 1 inch or 2. Sorry, not 1 inch or 2, 1 inch. But yeah, it looks great. It drove perfectly fine an hour back, dead straight, no pulling. But you know, preventative, just precautionary. I will be getting in alignment. But yeah, guys, the car's looking amazing, coming along great. The next thing we're gonna be doing is headers on this thing, and I cannot wait for that. The same shop will be doing it, 210 Performance, and that'll be in about a month and a half, I'd say. We're gonna get that done, and it's gonna scream, man. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Anything would help me out. I am a small creator, and I'm really trying to get to like 1,000 subscribers, hopefully within the next 2 to 3 months. But yeah, boys, the car is looking absolutely beautiful. I will see you guys later. Peace out.